360-degree view of IT. This is the Northcraft dashboard that is designed to be the installable CIO dashboard. So it plays nicely with all of our BI applications, which are built on the Microsoft BI stack. We've got over 15 solutions today. We've recently introduced Amazon EC2 Analytics for billing and operations, ServiceNow ITBM Analytics, ServiceNow License Analytics. And so we thought it was a good time with the four new products, some of the visualizations included in the content, to show you what you can do today upon installation. So obviously, we may not want a dashboard this busy, and of course the purpose is to give you an overview of everything that we have. In this dashboard, in SingularIT, we've got real-time, we've got streaming data, we've got near real-time analytical data, we've got structured data, and we've got unstructured data. So big improvement and quite a bit of new capability since the last release of the video. All right, so let's kind of just take a look at some of the different things we have. I think we mentioned before the Northcraft Analytics custom visual for Power BI, which is our IT operations specific visual, this countdown to next SLA breach. Okay, you can see here we've got our license costs per month in our new ServiceNow License Analytics product. Each one of these that you click, and we'll just click on this for just a moment, is filled with content. So along the bottom of the screen here, you can see the different tabs with some of the different pre-built visualizations. And of course, you can build your own as well. So it's completely flexible and no need to learn DAX in order to customize Northcraft as you typically have to do with Northcraft, because it is entirely built upon SQL Server analysis services. Okay, so it's ServiceNow License Analytics. To take a look just a little bit at our billing analytics module for EC2. Just a brief look, and we'll have a detailed demonstration available soon as well on this. But we have annual billing data, so you could be looking at, let's say you've got 1,000 instances running. It's entirely possible that you'll have 1 gigabyte per day of billing data alone in Amazon. And the challenge is that you want to bring that information together with the monitoring data from CloudWatch, for example. Okay, so we have the ability to do that too. So we're combining billing and operational data to basically isolate zombie instances that are running and then turn them off to save you money. So it saves between 2 to 9% as a rule of thumb of your Amazon bill. That's the Amazon product line. We've introduced for the on the ServiceNow side, IT Business Management Suite, which contains what many people think of the traditional discipline of project and portfolio management, but goes above and beyond. Okay, so we're looking at, for example, percent resource days. Overutilized. We're looking at resource utilization, content there. This is actually a massive module of ours with quite a bit of capability. Looking at things like percent of budget spent. So, CIOs are going to be asking for this or already have the information. And, this is a way to present it within Power BI. I think that's really, more attractive. And, you can combine it with other data sources or BI applications from Northcraft and get more value out of the data. So, one of the nice things you may know about multidimensional is that we can combine multiple data sources and view them in the same report with live data. So it's a server-side live data mashup. There are so many examples of that in IT, incidents and the related configuration items, and the related events and incidents, which is another one of our modules. The list goes on and on and on. In the ITIL framework, which has fallen out of favor a little bit, but it's still helpful from a terminology perspective, you'll see integration between all the different process areas, and these dashboards make the perfect way to display that combined information. We've also had a revamp of our SolarWinds product. So if you look at, let's say, bandwidth utilization, here we've got an automated P95, so no need to open up Excel and write a manual P95 analysis. This will gather 13 months of data from SolarWinds and will help you automatically identify capacity issues. It will also obviously has the event management piece. So you can look at traditional capacity metrics and event management metrics. All the modules in SolarWinds are supported. And then we have great out-of-the-box canned content leveraging some of the different visualizations within Power BI. So that's SolarWinds. I think what I'll probably end with is we've had a revamp with configuration management as well. We've got additional capability in terms of managing and measuring your on-premise to cloud deployment. So looking at, as we transition application by application from on-premise servers to the cloud, what percentage of cloud servers have been deployed, as an example. A lot of different use cases there. Slight differences depending on whether you're using Google or Amazon or obviously Microsoft Azure. Those are the top three, and we can help you measure all of them. Our out-of-the-box product today is for Amazon EC2 there. I guess, so CMDB, just touch on that briefly, but we have the scoring capability, which brings together multiple key performance indicators into a quality score. Okay, here is an example in the CMDB. I'm looking at my network devices across North America and leveraging some interesting Power BI map visualizations to help me identify those. And absolutely finally is the unstructured data piece. So taking a look at leveraging the capabilities of Microsoft Polybase behind the scenes and looking at Windows Server event logs, scrubbing through those using a word cloud and drilling down into the into detail on unstructured data. So we've come a long way in just a short amount of time with SingularIT, and there's a lot of exciting development happening. So I just wanted to make you aware of it, and as always, we're available through the website. Contact us if you have any questions or you'd like to learn more about SingularIT. Thanks for your time.